Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to another Thursday live tutorial on Facebook. Some of you may be watching on YouTube, so this was just recorded a little bit earlier. It's a dreary Thursday, and it's supposed to start storming any minute now. So if you hear crazy noise in the background, that's what's happening. Okay, so last night I was having a few issues with my, I don't know if it's my phone or Facebook, getting my camera to flip, so I'm hoping it goes okay today. I've turned it off, restarted it, and hopefully the glitch is gone, but if not, I'll just do my projects upside down for you. Okay, so today I wanted to do a few tags for you, and I'm using the Frosted Gingerbread stamp set and the designer paper, and I know I feel like some of these items are already sold out for the month, which I know is frustrating for all of us, but not much we can do about that. So just keep in mind that whatever I do, you can change it up, use another stamp set or other designer paper, whatever you have on hand. Okay, let's see if it's gonna let me flip you upside down. It does not look like it, which it's just kind of doing a spinning thing. I don't know. That's a glitch I'm going to have to work on. All right, so I'm just going to turn the camera down and we're going to just make it work. All right, I'm going to flip my paper that way. So, whoops. Okay. I'm just gonna do my project upside down, and hopefully you can see it okay. All right, so we're gonna start off with a super easy tag. Now for the tags, I am using the Tailored Meg Tags dies. I love these. There's 4 tags of each different style. So we have kind of this curved one, which is what I'm using today, and then just a little, cornered tag die. And that also has little reinforcers that you can die cut to add to your tags. So this is I cut one from the designer paper, and then I cut a smaller white one. So we are going to stamp just Happy Holidays. I'm using the Frosted Gingerbread stamp set. You can use any stamp set that you have. And this is the quickest, easiest, tag you can do. I'm telling you. And I die cut 2 of these tags at a time, like 2 layers. So you can, with one swipe, you can cut 2 tags. You can cut 2 of the designer paper and 2 of the white. So I'm just stamping a very quick little Happy Holidays right in the center of that one. And then I think I might use these little kind of peppermint swirly type things. There they are. I haven't used these yet. We're just gonna stick them on here and see how they look. Let's clean off this one. Now, I don't want you to forget that if you place an order online with me this month, I'm gonna send you a gift in the mail. Use the host code that's posted below in the video. All right, I'm gonna just stamp a little bit of these, just kind of like up in the corner here. They're pretty small. We'll do a couple there, and then we'll do a couple down in this corner. It's hard to stamp upside down. Okay, just a couple there. See how quick and easy that is? And that's it, that's all I'm doing on this one. Then we're going to take a little bit of, I've got some white baker's twine. I usually do about 6 inches. And we're going to, oh wait, before I do that, I die cut some of these little reinforcers. And I cut them out of cinnamon cider. And I'm just putting a teeny bit of glue on it. And we're gonna stick this just over the hole on the white one. Okay. Then line up the two holes. And I folded it in half and put the folded part through the holes. I'm trying not to move my little circle there. It's still a little bit wet. Let's line up the holes and stick that through. And then put your two tails through the hole. This is how I do all my tags. And that way it's very easy to take it out and tie it on the, you know, the bag or whatever your packaging is. And I know that's backwards. I apologize. Maybe that is right side up. I don't know. I feel like I'm coming out of the top there. Anyway, that says Happy Holidays. I know it's backwards. I don't know what's going on with my phone. Why it's not letting me do that. So we're going to work on that later. Okay, let's do another tag. This is another very quick tag. If this is coming, if you guys, who's watching? I think Angel had signed on. Kat, tell me if this is upside down or not. I can't tell. I know the words are backwards, but tell me if it looks upside down. If it does, I'll switch it around. Okay, so I've cut another tag. This is the large tag out of Real Red, and then I've cut a little stitch rectangle out of basic white, and then this is die cut out of the designer paper. I love this designer paper. You don't have to have the dies. You can cut it by hand if you want. I didn't cut it perfectly. It's okay if you don't cut it perfectly. You know, it's a tag. It's meant for short-term purposes. So don't fret if you don't get it perfect. So I'm going to just use, what does this say? Wishing you a Merry Christmas. So we're just going to stamp this. I think I'll just do it in red. Right on this little stitched rectangle. Hopefully that's straight. Pretty close. All right, so I'm going to pop, I think I'm going to pop both of these up. We're going to pop this one. I'm just going to use 2 minis. And we'll just kind of put that right here. And then we'll use a couple minis on this one. Let's see. Oh, I bent it now. I'm just going to put them in the middle. Whoops, I got 3. Okay. I don't want it to cover my sentiment, so I'm just going to have it slightly cover that. Let's add a red rhinestone because it's always nice to have something a little glittery. Oops, stuck to my finger that time. We're going to pop that right in the center of our snowflake. And I'm not layering this one. The back is blank, so you can just do a to and from if you want on the back of it. And that is it. I mean, how quick is that? When we're making tags, you know, sometimes you need to make 20 or so. They don't have to be super complicated. They can be very quick and easy. Okay, we're going to do one last tag today. And I've cut out a large tag out of the craft paper. It's in the holiday catalog. Cut another large one out of the white. I've cut a bell out of the designer paper. That's what it's like on the back. And then that's extra. We don't need that one. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of the cinnamon cider. And this is kind of the long little gingerbread image from the stamp set. So I am just going to stamp this across the bottom. It's kind of hard to see. Let's do this. When you're stamping white on white, a quick tip, I don't really want to do that because it's going to get on my background, but we're just going to go for it. Okay, I'm just stamping this going across the bottom, and then I'm using this sentiment. It says, "You're the icing on my gingerbread." I think this is so sweet. Okay, we're going to do this one a little closer to the hole. Leave a little space right over here. All right, I think we're done with our stamping. Let's glue another reinforcer. Well, I should have put a reinforcer on the other one too, I forgot. Don't forget your reinforcers. Okay, if I can pick it up. My hands are a little sticky. All right, we're gonna go back and put a reinforcer on the other one. Okay, and then we're gonna pop up our little bell on our tag here. Let me make sure, okay, that looks okay. I don't want adhesive sticking off of it. And let's get a couple more of these. I'm gonna put one on my bell, and then I'm gonna dot my eyes. This has 4 rhinestones, so this is only going to someone special. You guys know I'm stingy with my rhinestones. I can't help it. I cannot help it. This is a 4 rhinestone tag, so you know it's going to go to somebody special if I'm putting 4 rhinestones on it. Okay. We're going to put our ribbon in here. And then we have this super adorable little, I'm looking to see comments. No, it's still not letting me flip. Okay. All right, so we've got that one. We have this tag, which I'm going to take out and put an enforcer on. See how easy it is to take your ribbon out and then just tie it onto your bag or your little project. This cuts out 4 at a time of these little reinforcers. Very easy to put on. So, and they add just an extra little pop of color there where your tag goes. Plus, if you know your tag gets pulled on, people are looking for who it's to. It gives a little extra strength where your string is. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, and then our very simple happy holidays. So quick and easy tags to make last minute for Christmas gift giving. Check back on Saturday. I'm going to do a cute gift card holder using this suite. And then on Monday, we've got a cute little treat box. And then we're going to start on some projects using our upcoming celebration items. So I'm excited about that one. All right, thanks everybody, and I will see you Saturday. All right, bye-bye.